Hello friend, today I will be showing you one skill which is required for everyone who are working with computer. Many a times we need to send some files through mail, through WhatsApp, and if the size of the file is big or there are multiple files, so combined size of the file is big, then we need to compress the file. Otherwise we cannot send it because every mail has got a capacity, but if the size is big, even if the capacity is there, it will take more time. So we will be using a software, very popular software, and I'll show you how to utilize the software, and by the software you can send the files easily and faster. This is the WinRAR software. In Google, write WinRAR. Whether you will be downloading 64-bit or 32-bit, it will be depending on your computer. So you have to check in computer that what is your configuration. In my computer it is 64-bit, so I'll be downloading the 64-bit software. This is the software. I'm just clicking it, then save as. Then I am saving it. See, it is saved. Then I am opening the software and I'll be installing the software. In fact, in my computer I am already having WinRAR software, so it is not required to install. But again I am showing you how to install this thing. So again I am showing you how to install WinRAR software in your computer. This pop-up has opened, then install. You click all the options. If you want to create a shortcut menu on the desktop, then click here, then OK, done. So your WinRAR software is installed in your computer. Now suppose you are having some files. I am showing you the practical usage of this software. Now I am showing you what is the size of the folder which contains few files. Then how to check that? Right click, show more options, then properties. See, 1.14 MB, 15 files. Now I'll be using this software to compress the file. Right click on the folder. This is already installed. Then add to archive. There are some options are there. WinRAR and WinZip. It is an older format. WinRAR is an advanced format. So we'll be using this format only. The extension of the file will change depending on the software we choose. I am doing the best. It will compress the maximum. Directory size 32. I need not to do anything. If you want to do a volume wise split of the file, then we need to do this thing like 5 MB, 100 MB we can do. Here it is not required. The size of the file is very small. So straight away we can do compressing. Now OK, it's done. See, the file has come. Now see what is the size of the folder. 796 KB. And what was the original size? 1.14 MB. So you have understood that there is a good amount of compression this software has done. This WinRAR. Want to send a mail? So easily we can attach this file, compressed file folder, and attach with the mail, and we can send to the recipient. And it will take less time and more. It is very convenient. But one thing you remember, the person who is receiving the file, they should have this software. Otherwise, they cannot open the file because it is in a different software. We can also do a password protection in this file, which is made out of this WinRAR software. Now, I am showing you, suppose you have received this file, then you need to unzip these files or folder. Suppose you have received the folder in a WinZip or WinRAR format, then you need to unzip first the folder and file for using this. So I am showing you how to do that. Before that, I am deleting the old folder. Now I am just double clicking on the file or folder. See, this is the folder. It is the main folder. And here you can see all the files are there. Now you extract to desktop. So select on the desktop, then OK. All files are unzipped and extracted to the desktop. Now in order to unzip or extract the files, I am just opening by double clicking. Then main file, I am selecting the folder, then extract to, and I am just selecting the desktop and OK. So this file including the folder has come on the desktop. So I think you have understood how to use WinRAR. It is a very useful software everybody should have in your computer. Thank you.